11th one, I told you to solve. Ananya, did you solve 11th one? Twelfth one? Entrance gallery, how many sums that you solve? That what you didn't get?
So what are you talking about?
Can we hear only video? Can we video? 11th one, you have to do, I told. In the 20, mostly you will get 14th, you should get 13th, you should get 16th. Why you are not? Why you didn't get? That you will get 16th also. 17th also. Yeah, even you will solve 17th also. Hmm? #21 also you will get 20 also you will get 20 you got 21st also you will get very easily. Which sum you are solving, Mana? 11th. Solve the 11th one. Level 1. Why? Study the question, you will get tension they given. So you will get the only one formula. V is equal to root T by mu. That question, right? First find out what they ask. Yeah, that day, yesterday only completed. 12th one you will get very easily. Density varies. Density remains. Density vary when sound is passing. More. Rarefaction less density. Compression more density. So less more it will happen. Wrong. That is wrong. How many nodes they given? 2, 3, 5, 6. 6 nodes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nodes. Okay. 13th one, huh? Yes. No. 6 nodes you will get. Root 1 by 3. Root 1 is 1 only. If you divide as root 3 value, how much? Which question? Which answer? 13th. How much you got lambda? 0.1 only lambda. See, do like this. Root 1 by 3 if they have given. Root 1 by root 3. So root 1 is 1. Root 3 value. Root 2 value is 1.4 something. So 1.7. Take like that and do that. Very. C and D, yeah. See, number of nodes, how many? 6. Frequencies, in frequency, fifth frequency. It is a fifth frequency. 6 nodes. 6 nodes is common, but frequency is fifth frequency. Mm. What is the C that you got? Mm. Okay.
So is that root 3 or root 2?
Root 3.
Okay, that's fine.
Root 3, that is. Mm. How do you find? If you know velocity and if you know time, you have to find time. Huh? To find lambda, you need to find time, you need lambda. Why we can find out V and lambda also they didn't give. V you got. So actually, lambda is nothing but length. Lambda equal to length. Question number 11. Question number 11. Velocity equal to root T by mu and V equal to root T. Mu means mass per unit length. So substitute the values of T, mass and length, then you will get velocity. Once if you get the velocity, you have to calculate time. So velocity equal to lambda by T. So from this lambda by V equal to T. So lambda means since lambda equal to L. Lambda is nothing but distance.
So will we start oscillations today?
Yeah, mostly we will start oscillations.
Okay, that's it. No, last
Yes,
chapter.
yes. Mm. Amplitude they given 0.01. Okay. Mm. Amplitude only. Yes. 100 you are getting, huh? How much you got, ma? 11. How much you got? Answer? Correct only 0.04. Exact you are getting.
Sir, I'll start coming to offline classes from next week.
Why?
So I will start coming.
Oh, okay, fine. I didn't
Yeah,
understand.
I understood. I understood.
You said
Next week I'll
welcome.
start coming. Yes, next week, sir. Next week.
13. Question number 13. 12 you will get. 12, density varies. But option they given B, it seems so. But density varies, no, compression and rarefaction when it is happening. Nodes will be like, if it is the length of the wire, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 nodes will be there. So node 6. Read the question once. It's a wire, a string it is, not pipe. It's not pipe. It is standing wave. Even standing waves will form in the pipes also. It's a fifth harmonic means oh, no, horizontal stretcher string fixed to ends is 6. Fifth harmonic in the fifth harmonic, it's called fifth harmonic. In that 6 nodes will be there. Fifth harmonic maintains 6 nodes. So number of nodes is 5. No, wrong. The length of the string they're asking. It is advanced question. Advanced, more than one answer.
So what are the other details about the string? I don't have the MCQ. I don't have the
PDF
question.
13. He's speaking. He's speaking. So I see PDF question number 13.
The same PDF, no, which you were doing
Same
yesterday.
PDF. Same PDF. Yesterday
Yeah,
that
okay.
what we did.
I'll just find it. I'll just find
It's
it.
advanced because more than one answer questions. Yes, choose the correct statement. They will. A is wrong. Hey, that is amplitude, no? 0.01. The maximum displacement of the midpoint of the string from maximum displacement means amplitude. Why you have to find out lambda? D. B is the length, no? They're asking length of the length is lambda. Okay. Yes. 0. Okay. It can be wrong. Oh. Lambda you got 0.25. 0.01 you got. L value. First you will calculate lambda. After you calculating the fifth harmonic, right? So fifth harmonic length, what we will take length of the pipe, L equal to 5 lambda by fifth harmonic. Then how you lambda is nothing but length. Here lambda is not length. Why? Because lambda can be 1, lambda can be 2, lambda can be 3. Fifth harmonic. See lambda, what you calculated like lambda 2 pi by lambda equal to k. So you calculated lambda 0.25 meter. Yes. 0.1 you got, yeah, that's correct. Yes, lambda equal 0.1 you got. It's correct. So lambda equal to 0.1 into 5, not into 5. It's not fifth harmonic, no? So fifth harmonic means L equal to 5 lambda by 2. Lambda by 2 are the first harmonic. Fifth means 5 into first harmonic frequency. F equal to 5 F dash is the fifth one. Harmonic, see that fifth harmonic means what? In closure pipe. Okay, it strings in the it strings. Lambda into 5 you can't take. Never comes lambda into 5 only. That is called length. Here in the open ends and closure, first take only one node you have to take. What you are getting, see that lambda by 4 you will get. Two ends if it is closed, one node you won't get. Minimum is 2 nodes now. Minimum 2 nodes, no? If you take both are closed, so it is how much? Lambda by 2. So length equal to lambda by 2. Frequency velocity formula what? Velocity equal to lambda by t. From this, so lambda into frequency. So frequency equal to v by lambda. So frequency equal to v by lambda means 2L. Is the first frequency, fundamental frequency in closed ends of the string. No, that is pipes. What you are thinking, that is pipes. It is not pipe, it is the string. When they pluck and leave, what are the vibrations it is doing, it will do in this manner. So fifth harmonic means you should get like this. Open, okay. That is pipe, ma. That is pipe. Frequencies v by 2. V is frequency here. These are the strings actually. So in this problem, remember fifth harmonic means this is what the fifth harmonic. Now try to solve. Now calculate the length. How much you are getting? See that. Length equal to now into advanced question will be like that. Why A is not correct? 6 notes. So it is the fifth harmonic. Oh, number of notes is 5. Wait. Number of notes is 5. Number of notes cannot be 5. Exactly. It's not, cannot be 5. Fifth harmonic means 6 notes will be there in the closing. Any case means this type of lines. Oh. Next question also 14th also advanced only. Oh. 0. Amplitude maximum. Yes, 0.01. You got 0.01. 0.01. The maximum displacement from the midpoint of the spring to equilibrium 0.01 meters. Yes, C is correct. Option C is correct. Okay, mostly printing mistake here, I guess. Answer B and C only. Because length, if you calculate, you will get 0.25 meters only. Yes. No other option. And fundamental frequency, how much you're getting? See that? Frequency. Fundamental frequency. B is correct. C is correct. A is not correct. And fundamental frequency, that you have to calculate once. Have they given the question? Y is equal to A sin omega t. Omega is equal to 2 pi f, right? This is 628 or something they given in the omega t, no? A y is equal to A sin omega t minus kx, no? So whatever before the t, whatever the term is there, that is only fundamental frequency. 620, do that. 628 per second. That's the fundamental frequency. Checking for B. Omega is equal to 2 pi f into per second is the frequency. 101, 100. D is equal. Correct. 100 is there. The option is there. 3 options can be there. 4 options can be there. That's what advanced. Most of the questions are more than one answer questions. Only one answer can be there. Remaining 3 can be wrong. That's what the advanced. Each and everything, if you know only that, we can enter. That's wrong, ma. In internet, PDF, okay. No, actually, what she did know, she got the 100 also, and the length 0.25. She is telling, sir, 2 point, they are giving wrong. That is also correct only. She did know, she got, so correct only, that is. 14th? 14th you will get, that is also advanced only. What you got answer? Risha, read. You try. Yeah, I understood. Advanced question like that, sometimes see that. Sometimes it can, but advanced level. 16th one. Try to solve. You will get. Mm. Is it 16th, right? Reduce, huh? No, before everyone so sweaty. So 14th one. Yeah. Question number 14. Read the question carefully. What did you understand? Tell me that source. Two vehicles, no? So see, first one is S1 so vehicle. Second one is S2 vehicle. It is also U opposite direction. One of them. Mm. Okay, one of them is here source. Source. It is only source. No? Observer. It is only source. No. So observer is sitting like that. Okay. Okay. Speed of sound in air is v only. Oh, he can hear whatever he is hearing. That is f2. So f2 greater than f1 when when they're approaching and um, along the road with velocity. So wind also, wind direction also we have to consider. Wind is opposite direction to the of the source, then obviously he will hear the less frequency will be less whatever he hears. If the wind blows from observer to source then f2. If wind blows from source to observer, so you can hear more. Come on, he's moving, no? Which side sound where air is coming, that side sound will be more, no? Wind blowing more faster, no? So opposite to observer, he can't hear. But here that object also releasing the sound, no? One more source is releasing sound. Whatever it is released, it is coming through air. So whatever he is hearing, he will. You have to think sound and air direction. Sound is a ball. What she told badminton. Sound is a ball. If you take in along the air, it is moving. He can hear more. 14th. So you will get option 14th. 6 option. So f2 is greater than f1. Advanced, that is also. Advanced question, then two options. Advanced questions, two options can be possible. Ananya, see that in that two options are correct, it seems, because that is advanced question. See that advanced means two options can be correct. Answer is one. Observer to yes. No, it's correct. Observer to source means it goes. It will stop the remaining sound. Check once, Ananya, clearly. It's a more than one option question actually. When wind blows from source to observer, f2 will be more than the f1. Source to observer. Wind blows from source to observer. You can hear more, no? So whatever he is hearing, that will be more. When wind blows from observer to source, uh, hmm. Think that question carefully. Wind blows from. Hmm? No, no. Why every option they won't give wrong? Ma? But option, but C they didn't give it. It seems. Source, observer. Hmm. Hmm. Then sometimes they can give wrong also. Yeah. 16th you did, ma? Why? They given what source? Hmm. Hmm. Ah. Hmm. Five. Correct one. Correct. 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 Observer frequency. How much you got? Moving. Yeah. So similarly, you'll get 17 also very easily. Then ratio, but easily you will get Doppler. Velocity of a listener. No velocity for the listener. Velocity of the source they given. How much? 1/10 of, yeah, 0.1 into V. From the Doppler effect, substitute the values. So what? You got the answer. No need to do ratio. Up to see. 17. So frequency. Tell me the mm, V plus V not. So it's 0. Leave that. V minus. So 1 by 10 B. So take V common. So 0.1 V it is. Frequency. Approaching. So frequency equal to by 0.1 V. Take it V common. V take it huh? V by 0 point. Oh, oh, oh. If you subtract then V by 0.9 V. So correct only. You got it's correct only. So we will get cancel. So F dash by F equal to 1 by 0.9 means you can write 10 by 9. Correct only answer. That is only answer. Yeah. Ratio of apparent speed. Wrong. Wrong. Ratio of apparent to ratio when we are getting we have to get the same things, I guess. Correct. It is only correct. That's wrong. But actually not ratio of speed to because speed will get cancelled. You don't get the speed. Mm. You got that? Fine. Then 18 also you will get. I don't. Why you are not getting 18? Oh, minute means 60. Revolution per minute. Revolution per minute. How much they given? 400 revolution per minute. It is called what? Angular frequency. Okay. So angular frequency equal to 400 revolution per. What I'm going to do by 60. So per second. Make it as a second. So omega, you know, right? Omega V is equal to V equal to we got omega is the angular frequency. Mm. Huh? It is a angular frequency. Angular frequency they given 400 revolution per minute. Minute I changed as a seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. No, that I did. Mm. The frequency. Frequency. Now find out velocity. If you know the frequency, what is the relation between velocity and frequency? Velocity equal to mm, velocity equal to lambda by t. So lambda into f. Okay. Lambda omega length also. How much length of wire that you can use? That you can use and frequency omega is equal to 2 pi f. Omega by 2 pi. What is the relation? Linear velocity is equal to r times angular velocity. No. So we calculate f 2 gone. V equal to r how much? 1 1.2. Omega means what? Omega is nothing but 2 pi f. So 2 into pi means 3.14 into frequency. Yeah, correct only. So that is the relation between linear velocity and angular velocity. If you know the velocity, you will get answer. Only that is the source velocity. So whatever you will get, that is source velocity. Then Doppler's effect formula, minimum maximum formula. Huh? Range of the frequency. First calculate minimum frequency. Minimum frequency of when he is listening the minimum frequency. What is the formula? V minimum. V minimum equal to V. So frequency, no. So F equal F into V by that's the minimum frequency, no? Minimum and maximum. Then range you will find between them. A range will be there. V minimum, huh? Frequency minimum. How much VS? 7.5. V 400 by 60. Do this. Frequency. It is which frequency? Oh, no, no, no. This frequency it is. Yes. F equal to 500. This one. This question, huh? See, they given no frequency revolution per second. And they have given. Here we can range of frequency they're asking. So range of frequency means minimum frequency and maximum frequency. Between them, range will be there. So minimum frequency, if you want to calculate, here they source and observer thing. So when you are reading the source and observer thing, mostly Doppler effect. So minimum, I'm going to calculate minimum frequency. Minimum frequency formula I use. Source frequency we required. Source frequency, source velocity they didn't give. V is equal to R omega. V equal to R omega. Lean. And omega is equal to 2 pi f. That f it is. 50.50 take only 50 Vs equal to 50 Hertz. 2 pores and points no need. Mm. And did you solve finally? Faster. Risha, question number. This one. Now, once again, read that question. Which frequency, what, how to remember, you will get now. Angular frequency when you have to use and how we can use that 500. Read the carefully the question. That type of things you have to remember. Which frequency is what? Listener frequency, yes. Source frequency, how much they given? Source frequency that is. So, but it's not. 436, correct one. Yeah, 50 points don't take. Hedges, no? Oh, hedge. She will take approximate value. No, exact value she requires. Not even a small error. We have teach error lesson once again. Yeah, errors. Very important lesson. You will get one question from that. Any examination, any examination, without touching errors, they can't. Ah, no, that type of question do manual calculation only. Ananya, you are doing not with phone, right? See, no, see. Okay. No, calculation mostly give preference by hand only. Okay. Upper frequency, if you want to get what you have minus, make it. You'll get upper frequency. Yes. When you, if you want to increase the more frequency, you have to decrease here. I put charging long back, but now I turn on the switch.
We all do that, sir. We all do that.
Cha, 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 cha. It's very bad. Answer? How much you got? 436 to correct only. Exactly. So you can do nine. Uh, Stop once, huh? Stop once. Did you get that answer? She's still doing. Once you have to devise one question, I will give 1 minute time. I will give. So just try to solve that. Only 1 minute. 1 minute. So 1 minute. I will give one question. I will tell one question within 1 minute that you should try to solve, because the test means you have to write like that, you know. Okay. 2 minutes. It will take 2 minutes, no? 2 minutes. First 1 minute, no, because you have to think. So 2 minutes time. Within 2 minutes, at least near answer that. Yeah. Just she's doing, because better times it will increase, no. Even second year, if we start, it will be like that, and very quickly that we have to complete target. I'm waiting a lot to start the second year to. Where? Mm. Yeah, it's a good thing you can learn, because if they go slowly only, I can move a little bit faster. For me, it's happy that
So you're still muted.
Oh, yes, yes. Question number 27 within 3 minutes.
27. Just a
Question,
second.
yes, question number 27 within 3 minutes.
I'm not that fast,
IIT
sir.
JE.
Sir, could you do it?
No, didn't get? Yes, 8.5 kilohertz. Just it is a frequency equal to V into V. So frequency F dash equal to F into V plus V naught by V minus Vs. How much they given F? 8,000. V? V naught? V source? IIT, proper IIT JE question only. One more. This is also proper question that we will solve. A triple E is set 36. Little tricky. I will give one question you solve. IIT JE, proper IIT JE question. You have to solve within 1 minute that you can solve. Question number 37. 37. Question number 37. Even 36, 37. You know that actually. I know 37. 37. Hello, pipe length. One is closed. Closed pipe. Question number 37. Got ma? Yeah. Question number 37. Strings. Open pipe. No, they given. So 0 point meters. So length they given. So, velocity formula what? Root T by L. So T by mu. Mu is mu. You have to convert mu. Mm. So, second harmonic. How much in second harmonic means? Second harmonic. Second harmonic. First harmonic is what? 2V by 2L. String is only just a way they will plug between the two. Otherwise, how it will? Mm. First harmonic, fundamental harmonic will be length how much? Open is V by 2L. No, it is length always how will we take length? Length equal to between the two nodes only. No, so in strings it is different. We will calculate. See, now it is node. It is node. Node to node. How much distance? Lambda by 2 is the distance. So L. So 2L is the lambda. Frequency equal to velocity equal to lambda into frequency. If you want to calculate frequency, V by lambda, no? So lambda is 2L, no? You get 2L. Second means same thing. Same as open. So that you will get V2 by 4L2. This is equal to that. At least mass of string they are asking, no? Mass of string. Thanks. Tension of wire only T. Pipe having no tension. Only strings having. Yeah, tension of string will be there. Okay, V1. So V1 by L equal to V2 by 4L2. Second one, no? So that is equal to, so V1 means root T by mu. L is L only. 344 into L2 how much? 320 L2 how much? 100 L2. 4 into? Yes, correct only. Correct. Yeah, you should get mu. 100, huh? It is equal to 100. So it is T how much? 50 by mu. L how much? 0.5, huh? So you have to calculate mu. Both sides square. You read, huh? No, 0.5 into 40. You took only 40. It's 50, no? You took 40 here. Root over 40 by m you have taken. Check once. Root over 40 by m means tension you have taken 40. Maybe there you did, I think, I guess. Root T by mu. Mu is mu you have to calculate. Then mass per unit length you will get you will calculate it. Already length they have given, though mass you can calculate. Mass you see mu is what? Mass per unit length, right? Mass if you want to calculate, so mu into L you'll get mass. Oh. Mm. Okay. Okay. You are getting how much answer? 1 by 320. 320 by 4 into 0.8 you have taken 1.6. So 50 by mass by 0.5. Huh? 5. 5 you send. $25 by everything is correct only it is. Both sides square it. So 20 into 20, so 1 by mass. Oh, so finally how much you are getting mass? Check once. Do that. Convert it is in the grams. Yeah, mostly. So 0.001 you can. 10 grams is the 10 grams is the 10 grams only. Answer is 20. No. Answer is not 20. 10 grams only. 20 gram per meter into 0.5 you will get 10. 10 only. Mass is 10. Mass 10. You did the same thing, right? And you did wrong. Root is for 50 by mu only, no? By 0.5 you did, no? You did this is 50. You did directly. That time mu is there. I saw 0.5. Then how you got 0.25? Check once. Must be. Wait. So here mass by length you have taken 50. Mass we have to calculate. Length 0 point by 0.5. Okay. Into equal to 100. Now, yes. So root 25 by m equal to 50. Both sides square. Huh? 1 by m equal to 50. Root 1 by m equal to 50 by. Mm, it is 10. I told 0.001 you can get, I told. Then correct. 10 grams. 10 grams is not option. No option. Kgs. Root 1 by m is 10. Okay, make it. Both sides square it. If you square 1 by m equal to 100. So m equal to 1 by 100. That m equal to you will get 0.01. So write in kgs. You'll get 10. You'll get. Yes. That is also proper IIT question only. IIT JE, that is. Practice. Practicing. Mostly if you practice this much time you won't do. How many, see, how many days onwards you are doing? 4 5 days, 1 week. Within 1 week JE question, we have to solve, no? Nearly 300 400 questions you have to solve. Definitely you have to solve. 300 400 questions you have to solve. We solve only more than 100 that we did. In that also some of the concepts maybe we can be in the lagging, right? By solving you will get. And I got doubt when I'm explaining now. mm, Prajwal,
Yes, sir.
mostly tomorrow try to write test Prajwal on this lesson.
Okay, yeah.
Sir will upload, okay?
Yes, sir.
Mm, tomorrow.
Sir, I have offline school and so much homework. But I'll see if I can
I
write it.
understood. No, one test. 25 first. Mm. How many questions they are giving, that much time also they will give. Anirudh? Hello, Anirudh? Can you hear me? Anirudh? Hello? Anirudh, can you hear me? Why, Anirudh? When are you coming to offline classes, Anirudh? I guess sir informed.
Wait, what did sir inform?
No, he will attendance he is sending, no? Santosh. 19th. Read the question. Try to solve. Now you will get, I guess. Now you will get what they have. Come on. Hmm. Toward the. Okay. Hmm. So pitch is always directly proportional to frequency. Pitch is always directly proportional to. No, it's from sixth standard. See, when sound lesson introduce, pitch and amplitude, pitch and loudness. So pitch is depending on frequency, loudness is depending on amplitude. Loudness is depending on amplitude, pitch is depending on frequency. So pitch is directly proportional to frequency. Okay, pitch is directly proportional to frequency. Now try to solve, Ananya, you'll get. And if both are moving in the opposite direction, whatever the velocity is there, that velocity will increase or decrease. Adding, and you will get, Ananya, now. Here, velocity of the observer equal to velocity of the source. How much they given? Velocity of the observer and source. Hmm? Hmm. Same. Both are same and moving with the same velocity. And 19th question in a car is towards cliff, sound is on the driver observe sound reflect the cliff, pitch of one get higher than the actual sound of the horn. Velocity of the car is so see once apparent velocity how much, right? No, that is only apparent frequency. Check once reflecting, no, before going, before when sound is traveling, then he will move with the speed of car also moving in the same direction. So that time v by 3, huh? Source and sound are in the source and sound both are moving in the opposite direction. Check one, source and sound are both are moving in the opposite direction. Source and sound are in the opposite direction. It touches when it is coming back. Observer. So it is coming in this direction and car is moving opposite direction. No? Okay, we'll check then. Okay. I don't know that sir what he questions he's going to do.
You want to make paper and you should at least see the paper. Yeah, we will be able to do it on chemistry sir and math sir. No, listen. Chemistry sir and math sir, they only make paper and give us, give it to us. So, whatever just see the question.
I'll see.
Yeah, just see the question and check. You at least mark and give him. Okay, that's all.
Roshi absconded by like Zomato delivery case started, you know, she absconded to Maharashtra.
What is that big word? Ran away.
What happened?
Can't you just use that? No, he would have read absconded somewhere right now.
Dude, what happened? She told she peed away. So I'm telling
I
absconded.
never use big words. Whenever I use big words, it should be to someone who I feel like a beggar and the next word I will answer to English. That is the only problem I had with every time she goes. It came out in a blue and young. Yeah, I know. I don't know. He doesn't even look like a guy who would, slap or, I mean, punch her.
Sir came.
Good evening, sir.
Told ya.
Oh my God. Such a wild.
This is first class option. Why? Huh? The question. The question.
Today what?
Questions.
Which one? What are they talking about?
Okay, go scroll down.